You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno. We are looking at how to say this word in Italian. We'll be looking at how to say more Italian vocabulary as well. So this is Italian for Mrs. How do you say it in Italian? In Italy it's said as Signora, Signora. It's easy, so in English you can say it as Signora, Signora. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.